Hello, dear parents and students. I'm teacher John, and together we will build a solid foundation in English in only 2 months through 4 interactive courses. Let's cover our learning journey. First, we will start with the to be verb course through 7 interactive lessons. We will learn the present tenses, am, is, are, past tense, was, were, and future, will be. Of course, plus a foundation in subjects and nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Through week 3 to 4, we will focus on 2 present tenses, simple present tense and present progressive. Of course, plus questions and time expressions. For example, I am a teacher. I usually go to work by car. I'm teaching English every day. Are you a student? Through week 4 to 6, we will focus on past tenses for storytelling. Simple past, past progressive, would and used to. For example, yesterday was hot. Today is windy. When I was a kid, I would play with my father in the park all the summers. He would always take me to the park. Did you go to park when you were a kid? No, I didn't. Through week 6 to 8, we will cover the future tenses for intentions and plans. For example, I will go to Japan next 3 months. I'll start my Japanese language classes from next week. Let's dive into the first lesson as an example. Each lesson takes only about 20 minutes. Let's start with a quiz. Choose the correct answer. I, a teacher from Spain. I am, is, or are. Perfect. I am a teacher from Spain. Next question. She very kind. She is, am, or are. Exactly. Perfect. She is very kind. This one is easy. We are ready to start. Perfect. Next question. You from here. It's a question. Are you from here? Perfect. The final question. The park beautiful. The park. He, she, we, they, it. Perfect. It. So it are, it am, or it is. Perfect. It is beautiful. The park is beautiful. If you couldn't answer the questions, each lesson includes a video lesson, interactive structure, and table for learning. We use to be verb for identity. I'm John for work. I'm a teacher for feeling. I'm tired. I'm happy. Origin. Where are you from? I'm from America. Age. How old are you? I'm 27 years old. And location. I'm at work. You are at home. We will learn to use these structures in interactive role plays. And finally, it's time for practice. Don't forget to record your answers. I will try, then it's your turn. I'm John. I'm from America. I'm 20 years old. I'm a teacher. I'm very excited. I'm at work. Your turn. Say, I'm perfect. Where are you from? Exactly. How old are you? Perfect. Are you a student? Exactly. How are you? How are you? Perfect. You're excited. Where are you? Exactly. I'm at home. Dear parents, through these courses and my teaching methodology, your children will receive structured, fun, and effective course lessons, plus weekly regular check-ins of their progress. And of course, I'll be building their confidence through each conversation lesson. They can take the lessons by themselves and practice the speaking parts with me. Thanks for watching.